In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly import many items into an Airtable select field. Whether you're new to Airtable or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you get the job done efficiently and effectively. First, we'll need to head over to Airtable. To do this, you can open your favorite web browser and navigate to airtable.com. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. You'll want to make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you need to create an account, follow the on-screen instructions for a smooth setup. Once you're logged in, it's time to open up the Airtable base where you want to perform your import. This base is essentially the workspace that contains your data tables, and you'll want to select the one that requires your attention today. Now, let's prepare to add a new field. Look towards the top of your table and you'll see an option labeled Add Field. Clicking on this will allow you to start the process of creating a new field within your table. When it comes to selecting the field type, make sure to choose Select. This type is particularly useful when you want to import predefined options into your table, which is exactly what we're doing today. Once you've chosen Select as your field type, go ahead and name your field. Give it a name that makes sense for the data you're importing so it's easily identifiable later on. With your field named, the next logical step is to click on Create Field. This action will finalize the addition of your new select field to your Airtable base. Now that you have your select field ready, you'll notice an option at the top of your table labeled Import. Clicking on this will present you with a few choices, and you'll want to select CSV. The CSV, or comma-separated values format, is ideal for importing data because it's widely supported and easy to manage. The following step involves clicking Upload. This action will allow you to bring your CSV file into Airtable. Be sure your CSV file is structured with the data you need. Once uploaded, choose the table that corresponds to the data you're importing. Make sure you're importing in the right place to avoid any mishaps. Finally, take a moment to review the list. It's crucial to make sure that all the options have been correctly imported. Look through your select field options and verify that everything appears as intended. A thorough review will ensure that your data is organized and accurate, leaving you with a complete and functioning Airtable select field filled with your specified items. And there you have it. These simple steps will have your data imported in no time, leaving you with a streamlined and reliable database on Airtable. Whether you've done this 100 times or you're learning for the first time, knowing how to import data efficiently is an invaluable skill.